Hello everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Bybit customer support. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's an address bar, type down bybit.com and enter it. So once you're inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find a help center over here. You need to click onto this help center. And from here, you can also ask any of the issue. Over here, you can also find all of this frequently asked question about account related identity verification, KYC, or deposit withdrawal. Or you can simply do is you can click onto this icon for the live chat. And over here, in order to do that, you need to log into it. And after that, you need to select the start asking. And this is the fastest option for many of this. And after you write down the issue, you need to click onto the send here. And after that, you can start a live chat with your customer support as well. And that is it. That is how you can contact Bybit customer support. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.